war juba pen war ci lo anang bika ci loy pana diang ci lo wi juba ko ne ran tum to ne to sin a ci ran to ne to sin ka bu ne ci la tan ci jam ko ci jam gën ne yalla pignum alwel ko ci jam gën ne yalla ay wana garang ma biur gogurut pal pign na won ke le guira ana batawte da blo wopios ke garang ma biur ci jam gën yalla a ci golo Moses ku lere Elijah ku Elisha ku bi garang ma biur na jël ku tit ke le 1985 runu ter ku di runu ber ku di ko kor yom luñ qur'an ci ol paj ma ngudia e moñ biom le paj a ci ñuul bongo ñuul ka tiere garang ma biur ci nom dañi jabel ko ci ni no la kaw ko la yelo lu la kana ran jam ne ñuul be le garang ma biur awon saba ke le re ya sey na ko jël la bañira an anak ñuul ci ñuul ko kene ci oni na ko be le yin golo lu gëdu golo lu bañ in ci ñuul na kaw ke tiere du ci nom dañi ko wuru go dol ko le mar wan ma ke ne yi le kina ngor ko ma jima jelo ka ngor ko ma so yin dunu di yer abra loy ko wacha dam da loy ran kin jam ne ale natin kok ci loy tarire bi paane junu ben bay ke ye ñoo tarire junu anon connection gën ke ci gor bible so yen an mi piore ci magatem ci wéré ci luel alayde en ka bank Australia organizers ka juer fananin mi ku koy dir qur'an ban ju wéretene wo caga lej ke an wo lej koy mat ke kayitem war pan Africa anon ke chol diaspora ko ben pan ko yer ko ke ben pan ko yer garang ma biura rantung ko ke ben pan Africa ko ko bi bay be ke bi num la Africa be aka diaspora ke ka je kutub got ke ka je tahrir ci la ngor be ke ni anange kwamni kroma anange Nyerere anange Jomo Kenyatta anange Mugabe ku kar nange ko jui ko now mission duon wo ko je diaspora runa e bako ba yi ko aci ustada jangala aci loelwon mission duon e yinga baay ko yanga ke garang anyede yanga ke loel goble ma ban lo wel ci ke jol technical education e maret 1982 kan ci gam Egypt woko ñu ci 1980 ku ya sejele 81 ku la 82 ana to moy larab e ciol Usman moy laranu akin shahada akin bay shahada dag tin kur ku ñaan kene e ciol Fatima e ci shahada bay ku woko ma do wan mi na lo ko yo Egypt 1982 anyinang 2 years ko wo Qatar go bokul le Philip balonim Osman ci ben Saudia wala yo ci ben nga yeen golo kana ngarabat kero ku ita sa wen golo le yo ci loy golo le bara balatim na lo ko bay panden ke yo na rit ke ro akaj bi to ke malwal to ka ger boku jela dol go lana yoko wor fasili yelo Philip ta lisa fi jama gola lay قولوا لي شوف أنا حاجات أنا لقيته بدون شهادة أنت ما هتلقاه. قولوا لي يوم جالوي قولوا أنجل السعودية عربية كلوك لوي كورس 3 شهر كورس سيانة بتاع تلاجات كلهم شهادة كي دبلومة كلوك لوي كورس بتاع سيانة بتاع كهرباء فاي كده تم كلوي كورس بتاع سيانة بتاع تلفزيونات قالوا لكم يا جالو كوني جرايد نايل بعد شوية كان يكسر كارامكو ككور عن سيانة بتاع عربات ولا لوي وانا كيك يلو المهدي بدبل مهد بتاع مهندس خرطوم كوكادون الله واد نايل بعد شوية كلو كورس بتاع ميكانيكية 9 شهر. Now I technical job kujel akar course bita 3 shahar kir machinery kir yinga wood kujara bat ken gije ko lui ko wajar bat ka biga Sudan nang wo sa Sudanese wo ko lun in a div but by a year a tough and dirty work. China mana competing with United States of America. Kutibi China thin war 1948. Mao Zedong. Mao actual mahandisin kukurka gun kiri gun. Kulero chaka yen 3 months. Acha Arabia China B kwena ke. After 3 months kangaya na ban kana sambol ge. Bonga ka sambol ge. That was a tough start. Nangu wo South Sudan where garanga nyet walk which in alika bay bakaban a witness a development kubaka duk when ka bi wo ko pande la jar nyal speech there do pinitual and on introduction ko na ngasila ga tika toyen wo ga tika toyen sila bukala ber bugo ben wel ku bi motamar buga jal na geshu run kweri daw acha invited wala la yan kin fursa balo badimba toy ko janje kweri daw ja ben yo fi London kana jang chana wala we la ka baga jang wala baga la represented fi Australia. I think a jang chana ben ye doro introduction dia apa kwena thonga ngalit ku yen achan walk way tree way juzumen South Sudan na kin South Sudan kin peace ke tree kin peace jongole kin peace so kana SPLM SPLA lanu kwar thul ko chola SPLM ekda so tiye water ko waye tui lazim buku taka Junuba Sudan war garag ma biur e ci ko kuy tui na tingra ande ka tinga ran ku pande lekin ran ci ne alaj bay bu paane Junuba ben bay ku kanyi te bi yentin cin din ku tim yeni nenom but mission ci ne alaj yenen lazim bu loy ci ki yene and I believe yen anyi akujita ben so anyi ino ci baay ci baby ke ci dum e ke dal was survivors ka. So my introduction is this: dear brothers and sisters, young and old, I am honored and delighted by this invitation to visit you in Australia and share with you news, challenges and expectations in our country and the place of your birth. I am also aware that those who were born in diaspora are forming the second generation of diaspora and deserve correct information so that they realistically participate in the shaping the future of South Sudan. I am more than happy to open my speech to this important gathering of Twitch East with few statements about the entire country as you form the inner set of the subset of South Sudan Before I concentrate on Tree Land, which is the focus of the conference, it is exactly 1 year ago when I was invited to US by the Greater Bo leadership as the governor of Jonglei State to brief them about many issues at home. And some of you got my speeches online. Today, I am addressing, while I address some of those issues, and 1 year in time, in socio-economic dynamism, might have brought its own differences in form and content. And to me, it is on the positive side for Twi and for South Sudan. Some are blessing in disguise, and some are direct blessing. Number one, in the form number one is from the perspective of peace for South Sudan. My expectation for peace are much higher than that time and than a year ago. The factors for these hopes are: one, the visit of the key actors after the signing of the revitalized peace agreement to Rome, and the washing and kissing of feet by His Highness the Pope. Of the three, His Excellency President Salva Kiir Mayardit, Dr. Riek Machar, Madame Rebecca Nyanding. This drew so much attention of the international community that the people of South Sudan deserve peace as expressed by Pope, who represents God on earth, and attended by the other three top church leaders of the main Christian denomination. Secondly, the fall of Bashir and the change of guards in Khartoum might lead to a change of ideology and approaches to the relations with the South in Khartoum. Thirdly, the regional actors, especially Ethiopia and Uganda, will be more engaged in their internal affairs in the coming period. Fourthly, the people of South Sudan are tired of wars and may be reluctant to support another bloody war, even if some selfish politicians want to use war for their personal gains. It will be like the ends of the rainy season, when you hear some sporadic thunder, but no actual rain. Many people are praying to God in South Sudan to listen, and I believe God will listen to the majority and not to the selfish small group for sake of peace. So above are my bases that this time we have more hopes for peace in South Sudan. Though prediction is accurate in natural sciences than in social sciences, we must plan from a high moral ground that if all actors, local, national, regional, and international, do the right things, we can secure lasting peace in South Sudan. Again, peace requires sacrifice, forgiveness, and reconciliation. Brothers and sisters, today, as I address Twi community, my belief in peace and unity of our people of South Sudan is the basis for my commitment for the unity of our people in Twi East and in Jonglei State. Now, that is my introduction. Dear brothers of the Executive Committee of the Twi East Community Association in Australia, the body of Twi East General Assembly in Australia, dear participant of the Twi East Second Global Reunion Conference, invited guests and participants, ladies and gentlemen, my warm greetings to all of you, also my congratulations to you for being able to mobilize and organize such a great and very important forum. I must thank you for inviting me to attend as one of you who think 24 hours about our country, our people, suggestions on how best we can collectively contribute in supporting development of our home. Dear brothers and sisters, before I go into the topics and to answer the questions framed by the organizing committee, let me first state the main challenges facing our people at home. The challenges to me can be divided into two, chronic challenges and transient and emerging challenges. Chronic challenges, number one, lack of roads and its consequences. Lack of roads have a lot of consequences. Number two, lack of equipped hospital, clinics, and its consequences. Number three, shortage of medical doctors, nurses, and its consequences. Number four, seasonal floods and its consequences. How do we mitigate and reduce the impact of the above challenges on the life of our people? These challenges require, number one, sizable budget. Two, long-term solution. Three, both private and public sector involvement. Four, a strong will and commitment. That is category one of the challenges. Transient or emerging challenges. One, insecurity, both politically motivated and locally generated, like cattle raiding and child abduction. Two, shortage of clean drinking water that affect health of our people. Three, lack of survey in boomers, Panyang, and counties settlement. Number four, lack of markets which encourage movement of people to far distances for sale and buying goods. Number five, river blockage, which affect fishing and river transport. Number six, lack of accessible river port. Number seven, lack of sustainable communication system connecting all the boomers and Panyang of 3 East counties. Number eight, erosion or loss of good traditional cultures. Most of these challenges require, one, less budget than the first one. Two, some require one and short-term solution. Three, directly affect the life of those inhabiting villages and swamps, islands, and need public consensus to address and find solutions and assessment to undertake any intervention. But all are connected and form our backwardness. All the above challenges are mentioned to generate discussion by the participant of this conference, while as somebody who lived them may suggest some ideas and way forward to be enriched by the conferences. Our approach here should be people-to-people development. Let us have a look at the questions. Question number one was, what is development? And I try to answer it literally. Development may be defined as growth, improvement in people's lives, change in our life and welfare, but in general, development is not a one-time event. It is a process that takes time and space. What is development in Twi land? No much is developing in Twi land since the war with the North stopped in 2005. But this does not mean that there are no remote changes in the life of our people. There are few people with little incomes from the employment with the government, in the police, wildlife, prisons, army, with local government, but most of these salaries cannot buy a chicken. Though they differentiate between those employed from the unemployed. Private sector and those working with the NGOs or non-governmental organizations are doing well, plus those who have members of their families in diaspora. That was mentioned before. In terms of international infrastructure, little can be mentioned. The government is trying to maintain few health units and centers with above mentioned challenges. The same with primary education and local government. Traditional livelihood continues. As you know it, agro-pastoralist life from our ancestors, though little intervention of tractors for those who can afford is taking place. Diaspora intervention is supporting health and agriculture, and few cases can be mentioned to motivate more intervention. What is developed and maintained so far? See the above answers. How insecurity affects development? Identify the restraining and driving force that affect the development. To answer this, we can take the example of Wernyol, which has been destroyed more than 3 times since 1995 up to now. Market, locks, huts have been burned since 1995. People killed, properties taken, and the survivors ran away. And we are now in level 1 to resettle Wernyol and restore lives again with the hope that war will come to an end and final end. Simply, development is restrained by fear and war or insecurity. The main driving force that affects the development is the political will and the commitment of the government and the citizen to achieve a desired change and progress. This, in the prevalence of peace and capital, also development is possible when there is a plan of what to be done, and at the level of individuals and institutions. Also, for development to take place, you must get organized to have institutions for each field of development you want to undertake, so that there is a follow-up mechanism and performance monitoring and evaluations, as well as reporting system and structures. How war affect people confident to continue building either private school or clinic in Tui land. Definitely war frustrate development efforts and erode confidence of people in continuing building what they had been doing, and disrupted by war. And this is an evident now in a huge numbers of our people residing in Juba, Shirkat, and the borders area, and have no interest to return home. This itself affects development. Now, the question of health was answered, and I need not to go through it. Identify targets of change and addressing development agents of change for addressing development. First agent of change is human factor. To introduce change to any society, we must first educate our people to embrace development and quality life, because one must dream of a new world outlook, then apply the new outlook to the reality to acquire better life that is translated into development. This can be achieved through learning and change of attitude and perception. Intensive community sensitization is needed for our people to know that they have resources and abilities if awakened and utilized, they can achieve the development they need. Correct methods and development approaches relevant to our situation must be identified in participatory approach and utilized by the community with appropriate guidance. The other agents of change are social and economic institutions through which development is achieved. Long-term, realistic solution. Some of the solutions were mentioned. Number 1, connect the Ambiam to the main road by constructing 10-kilometer long road to be all-season road, and this will benefit northern part of Jongule, at the road from Bo to Duk takes time to materialize. 2, at the moment, let each county support health centers present at the county level. 3, support Pakur Secondary School to be one of the best schools in the region, and that can turn into a big thing in the future. 4, support survey and building of the Amdiam River Port. 5, support Gadiang Peace Village and Gadiang Regional Market. 6, support road construction from Panyang to Gadiang as a peace and agricultural road, and cooperate with Dukpayuel in the project of Gadiang. We can stop here at these options and debate the strategies, how to go about it. Kene ebo week or wo wadia achan benang kungu panda akonyra ande yenom nyirwen loy education for girls. That is how you get development. Kulot pananin ke lui bad habit lui ke encourage chai lui la kat ke koj lekini rande yi tiel chow ke way dier wo pana tuya bia misal in dengchol utimdu which agalejaret. And I believe Auraka when we got already fi sub copy, but let us depend. Gay kurud rot du kurud gay akuma. Na gay kurud akuma ka kebi wegatene ka chaka doy loy kuna golku ko an yo ko ngol wele weje kunde lazim bugo dil weje kunda. We cannot rely on government. Lano tabana kuma angod ka kilo kochol nim. Kuna kilo kochol nim kachuku beti da kudu belo koch nim. We kochi akuma kalo wani mitene. Kwa kuma kilo ko diag nim pani Junuba Sudan. Kukechol harambe kilo koch nim. Let us contribute. Kuwenchi banyi use juba tree juba lwele. Let us unite our effort. Achibe ya lula ka bimi ka America loy ku bimi to by the typical no ka by chila train. So naneng engineer ka baka loy kwange engineers kuna la pin le dew ka wato team bula mat kana team mun ya manyok ku team e team daga wo tuye che team akuma waren wala ci war kanto team yi Madiam abi wala tinu wa ko wachi bula tinu wa akuma ku town rawuni jam Madina diam dadu e Madina anji jam umda manyonga jaga chalo manyong dit cho diam cho lui survey ke impir ke Madina golo la gore jagam baka ka ba survey bu gol wa to ku ci char, but that is a town ku jogu logo wala Gadiang. So one on a lot of ocean. So when we call Australia, local team kake number 1 yen kir diam bu connected kana main road 10 kilometer ci loy zalat dadu ñi gudu tawantin ma loy lied wala loy whatever be engineers be loy ke viable ka loy rot. What we have, the disease to kana walk jong to go walk e jong ci anang woni nyan kayda woni kun jong mo biura go garangate mu kwek yi garang kan kwek mo gaw ran to no biar amil ga nyan nyopien ran jol garangatem bongo wochlo ke jol chel 3 wo piuji ke ko achol kar ba kol chola sa da tem ko jaga pol loku cham ke sa da tem le sa doro na sa doro ke safara ko de ko jalo jam CS syndicate political syndicate ana to siria wula woni yen garam dit rani e bañ syndicate da elet malab Joseph kwane deputy den so we lo ko nyuy ku joko jam CS yi manifesto yi laws yi ngo yi New Sudan na ci sa berben ke malab bogu la goran ci amundi cho la tej log ke den dawru ko la nga piet na log dum ke garandi de log ba nga na ne rek ko nga ci biya yi cho la tej kan jala nom tal rek yeen pour ça ka jël je loya hawan ga tin koy ko wet ko bané den wala wet ci garang di waray nim on nga jaru la garang di yo mo muskila du yo mo ci ke ya yi ga kon nga wala la yi na ci ciaw peñnum an ci lo yaban an ci lo america an ci lo yi vietnam bay ka ga biya ca ga teki je lo bay ka la arabi je lu ran ci lo ci ran je lu ran er quran ma ngu quran ma kej ke kay ko kuwe ci ko wala la yomu golul we matil je le ke duone nga ci won golul ke non political ko SPLM abiti ar yo ko wacin je le ko big riyo ko big tarbi bo jalo la garang li da ke ngo diror golul ga ci de la ran ti na gol bo japon ku jal study that theory den na jer yeg ma char je gat kay garang dit aga to bay ci ben agu ci bay ku la zakira le tok ala ka ci wonwer biudit te ki kër moro bi ko la benten ku bogu jël ku kër bu na rus lo ku bay woni biura jang wol ma ñang a je ku thor nwer bu nwer bi ci ti am ma ku loyal Dr. John loy relief loy organize ko wachol UN ben na ci nwerit pok tap ka legu yen ka jël bogu ram tong ci ku ciol ko ya gutu bi ke dar ma ke gar wi dol ay 95 ko wala workshop wana da ni ciol John Parker loku Nairobi nun kero Lutheran World Federation ku loku ben loki ku jajal la ka kuma la mir chanem go ping on ti awan sabaka bo an ngodo nin bo lu ko de mo biar cha ko jeben go la jeben lo mana du bi jor la garam da to bi ala bo ko jam mo hos yi ila ko jaga no et yam wala jugo te yam wala kelo da kan ke te yam angod jere ko ne alay bongo kan ta wala ka jata garam dit but we will not surrender wala kan jalan andu America no ka Korea now situation taban garam dit ci arandi and he is trying to see the age kaloy junubin kek walk wanang jajuj le big panda pan ja den kwar war no bu kata mo garam ma biur wanang ja le big tar pe wajin ti ci woy careful na yo careful ke jaka ji ka tultiam aji ka tultiam ko war jot bi ci toñnom may nge to ko degen ina nge to ko de ranu ci yor ma char acin na ci pinde ci targut pinde berir sin khortum ku ben jambe tong tor aliw wok ko way SPLM pinde da do ci targut lanu pinde mo ben ay le koy ko ye koy pir tong ci ndey lo ye tong so wo pen ga zakira wo pen ga dang fa kati to kan wo ti wo ko nim ku shaba ji dar tong ku wala ci mo ko cuk fa na ci rum abdoro bu bay lanu akiro ko loy pin nom bran ger bran ciol bi cim ci ku bu waak ci mino loy ye ci wen ku ko lu ye ci ku koy mangu so en kana Aguer kana member SPLM doro ben kuna be dor ben ke dor aci bi nyaare ji toa ka wochiru ge ya kuma ino kuma baka ko loy no ko woy tui raun jamutene knowledge of yala kor no week because now riet kurut 5,000. This 5,000 say 50% about the kind of knowledge. Okay, Australia eto, anong kokto Canada, America, kujurti kokto around. So work, let us unite. Kuwan tia jang lwele tene, ina loyuku. We youth, kuyoku community, we unite. Na nengi chol tweet to Australia, nengi chol tweet to Canada, nengi chol tweet to America, nengi tweet to everywhere. You try to send a message. In the work conference that Chukuloy Australia, Melbourne, we have decided Wallo initiative a development Kelungu. Kelungu ma kechol harambe golagatin kur. $1, 5,000 when around Kuluran a $1, 5,000 rand a lot of money. So wake Panyang wake a unity. A unity kumutaba. Let us do a follow-up. Now look at Juba, we will go with hope and wake. Will we? Ustad Janga Lak, you form a core team because we are making research. When Maktam ding, so that Bakanang a technical idea about this 10 kilometers of road in the swamp. Few of you that are doing engineering, research. So I believe from that perspective, ala buku jog. Sukulun chalwele chol pakuoru. I took a dal for years. Lana Kuma was a terbiya fi Juba. One secondary school only fi Jongule. You can consider a national school, you fund it. Could the rest, I'm on a Zamadaka, Mioji book, you karasat. So, what you akumat it, Lano Supultung, a chan Supulda Bradiat, Bigaro Mia, Katana Chibuget Pakur. When I get Supultung, a year tree and Duke, I can secondary school to them. Now, Loy Pakur, where they are one of the exemplary schools. Encourage or they can send their children to Pakur. And you can develop it in the future and you start thinking of a college, institute or university. It's difficult, a commitment, a core sacrifice. So wake a late, Nyala Japitoka wake, Wabi the Ajo Yopukuran. I'm ready. Shukran.